To produce olive oil, mature olives are picked from trees with care taken to avoid damaging the fruit, which could affect the quality of the oil. Harvested olives are then washed to remove impurities and dust from the surface. Clean olives are put into a crusher to separate the flesh from the pit and to create a paste. The olive paste is then put into a mixer to separate the olive oil from the paste. Next, a plate heat exchanger is used to heat the olive oil to an appropriate temperature to improve its flow and separation at subsequent steps. Plate heat exchangers are efficient heating devices that are widely used in the olive oil production process. With a large heating area, they can quickly heat the olive oil to the desired temperature through fluid-to-fluid heat exchange, while maintaining the stability and accuracy of the heating process. In addition, plate heat exchangers can adjust the parameters inlet flow, outlet flow, and temperature to achieve precise control of the heating process. These features make plate heat exchangers play an important role in the olive oil production process. Finally, the separated olive oil is filtered to remove impurities and residues, and then stored in a cool, dry, and well-ventilated place to maintain its quality and freshness.